If you are looking for easy-to-use software which will real-time live record your lecture presentation in virtual environment, then Instacast will be best software for that. Software has inbuilt broadcast quality chroma key which will remove presenter background automatically and also work with laptop webcam in low light too. You can instantly remove background and change it through background gallery. On top right there is set gallery from which you can load ready to use composition or presets just by double click on that. Software has inbuilt logo, title, ticker and time overlay. You can see left side preview. Also it has inbuilt recorder and streamer too. You can change monitor or presentation content from monitor gallery instantly. You can add your own image and video content in monitor gallery. You can also get PDF, PPT and any Windows program content using Windows Capture input in monitor. Same way you can get website or web content using web browser input. You can get more information and full functional demo software from site capturelecture.com. This is only basic demo. More detailed demo videos you can find on YouTube. Thanks for watching video. Hope so it will helpful to you.